2. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical and eco-friendly project, making your own reusable cloth masks. It's easier than you think, and a great way to use up some of those fabric scraps you have lying around. Let's get started. First, let's talk about materials. You'll need 2 layers of tightly woven cotton fabric, like quilting cotton, or even a high thread count bedsheet. A piece of fabric about 10 inches by 6 inches for each layer is a good starting point for an adult-sized mask. You'll also need something for the ear loops. Soft elastic is great, but you can also use hair ties, strips of t-shirt fabric, or even ribbons. And of course, you'll need a needle and thread, or a sewing machine if you have one. A pair of scissors and some pins will also be very helpful. Now for the construction. Place your 2 pieces of cotton fabric right sides together. 2. If you want a filter pocket, you can use a slightly larger back piece and fold the edges over. We'll stick to a simple tulle ear mask for this tutorial. Pin the fabric together along the edges to keep them from slipping. Let's start sewing. If you're using a sewing machine, sew along the 2 longer sides with about a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Sewing by hand, a simple running stitch or a back stitch will work perfectly. The goal is to create a tube with the 2 shorter ends open. Once you've sewn the long sides, turn the fabric tube right side out. You should now have a neat rectangle with the pretty sides of the fabric facing out. Press it with an iron to get crisp, flat edges. This step makes the next part much easier. Now, let's create the pleats. The pleats help the mask curve and fit your face better. Lay your fabric rectangle flat and create 3 evenly spaced pleats, all folded in the same direction. Think of it like folding a paper fan. Each pleat should be about 1/2 inch deep. Pin them in place or give them a quick press with the iron to hold them. We're almost there. It's time to sew the side channels for the ear loops. Fold the raw edges of the short sides in by about 1/2 inch, and then fold them over again to encase the raw edge. Stitch these down, creating a small channel on each side. Make sure to leave the ends of the channel open. Finally, let's add the ear loops. Take your elastic or fabric strips, attach a safety pin to one end, and thread it through the channel you just created on one side. Tie the ends of the elastic together to form a loop, and then pull the knot so it's hidden inside the fabric channel. Repeat for the other side. Adjust the knots to get the perfect fit for your ears. And there you have it. A beautiful, comfortable, and reusable cloth mask made by you. Remember to wash your masks after each use in hot, soapy water. Thanks so much for crafting along with me today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY projects. Stay safe and see you next time.